What's good, y'all? We're back with another recap for the week, and this is take 2. So let's just get straight to it. Here you see this was the 15-minute setup on AU. I took it, I got the dub. Good start to the week, right? But I actually messed up in the beginning. This was a week full of mistakes, and we gotta clean that up. So I actually ended up taking this at first. Let me just delete this. So I ended up taking this breaker candle at first. And this was on the 5-minute. But this is a 15-minute setup, so you gotta take the setup of the 15-minute. Like, why would you take a 15-minute setup on a 5-minute? That was my mistake. Good thing is, I had a lower risk, so it could have been worse, man. It could have been way worse, but I got my 1-to-1 with the re-entry and went on my day. Next up is this EJ trade. The entry was around here. I mean, it's the same stuff every time, y'all. The entry was right here, and I actually did make another mistake here. But I was being safe at first, so I know it didn't hit stop loss or anything. But this green candle, it honestly had me a little worried, so I'm seeing like, dang, it's not even going down. So I got out around here, and I ended up getting back in once I got another opportunity for a breaker candle, which is right here. Then I got my 1-to-1. And my mistake was I didn't leave a runner. So that is pretty costly in situations like this. Like, I could have held to this low or this low, but it would have been this low. And you see what happens. It goes down to the low. And it ends up even going down further. It's pretty crazy. But I could have held to here, man. But I did not. And that stuff costs. That stuff definitely costs. So that was a mistake. There's 2 mistakes already with both of these trades. And that is costing, bro. Next up is this trade. I don't think this is the highest quality trade just because of this right here. And I'm just like, what? What is even going on? But I took it anyways. I knew it was going to be a little messy. So this trade, I actually, look at this. Let's see. Alright. So now I'm in. And at first, there's a little fooling around. I did save money on this loss though, which is what I've been doing pretty good lately. I'm seeing like these rejections, and I ended up getting out around right here. Like, recently, I've just been able to take like half of a loss instead of a full loss. But I made another mistake here, and that was not being ready for the re-entry. I wasn't ready for it. You gotta be ready for it at all times. Like, the zone wasn't invalid yet, so I should have stayed ready. This is exactly what happened. I mean, it ends up spiking back up after. But dang, that could have saved me. That really could have saved me. And this mistake just led to another. Well, led to another loss. That next trade wasn't really a mistake, but I would not have taken it if I would have just got in on this re-entry. So that's the problem. And this was the trade. It was a liquidity grab on AU. You see that? This was the liquidity grab. A little breaker candle. And it literally just like stops out on that same candle, like crazy fake out. I actually didn't feel too confident in this one, so I got in at less risk because I'm honestly trying to get better at taking these type of trades. Because sometimes the market may not always give you a supply and demand trade. So I ended up taking the air, but that's just it, man. The mistakes were definitely just like stacking up this week. There's a mistake on every trade. So my goal for this week is to make less mistakes because I took good trades, right? Like these 3 trades won. This one went on the re-entry. And this trade would not have been taken if I took the re-entry. So it could have been a 3-in-1 week, maybe 4-in-1, you know? Because this was on Thursday and I'm like noticing like, dang, I'm making all these mistakes. So I was just like, alright, I'm not even gonna trade on Friday. I'm gonna just be ready for next week. Like, cause I'm like, bro, I'm winning. I'm literally taking winning trades and it's not converting in my account. Like, what is up? It is the mistakes. You have to. I guess I'm at that point where the mistakes are more crucial because I'm taking solid trades. Like my win rate has gone up, as y'all can see in the past couple of weeks. Like I haven't been having a week where I've been losing more than I win. Like I've been winning more than I lose. So I have to make less mistakes, and I think after that I should be profitable. We're gonna see what happens. But I'm liking where we are so far. I'm liking that we are aware of what we're doing and we can learn from it. So appreciate y'all watching, and we're just gonna stay on this journey, man.